there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet the blanket stitch. And for this tutorial, I have made two samples, one in one color so you can see the texture and how it looks like overall, and one using two colors so you will see how this pattern will look when you change colors every 2 rows, just like here. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I am using a round yarn and a 5mm crochet hook, and this pattern requires you to have multiples of 3 chains in your starting chain. Mine has 30. So let's start with the first row, and we will be making a double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. So come backwards from the hook and into the 3rd chain. Let's make a double crochet. Then we skip 2, and into the next we will be making a single crochet and 2 double crochet into the same chain. And this is your repeat section right here. You skip 2 chains, and into the 3rd you make a single crochet and 2 double crochet. So let me show you a couple of more repeats. Skip 2, into the next single crochet, and then 2 double crochet. And don't worry about the gaps that form at the base, they will disappear as you crochet the row. So again, skip 2 and into the next 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet. And repeat this until you have 3 chains left. And this is how it looks like so far. We have 3 chains left. We are going to skip 2, and into the last we make just 1 single crochet. And this is your first row. Now we continue with row 2, and we will turn and chain 3. And this chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Then into the very first stitch, in that single crochet you've made at the end, make another double crochet. So these 2 count as a 2 double crochet in the very first stitch. Then we are going to skip 2 stitches, and into the 3rd we are going to make a single crochet and 2 double crochet. And this will always fall into the single crochet you have made into the previous row. So again, this is your repeat section. You skip 2, and into the next you make a single crochet and 2 double crochet. So again, let me show you a few repeats. We're gonna skip 2, which are the double crochet below, and into the next, which is always the single crochet, we make a single crochet and 2 double crochet. Like this. Again, skip 2, and into the next, single crochet and double crochet. And you repeat this until you have 2 stitches left. So like I said, skip 2, and into the next make a single crochet and 2 double crochet. And when you reach the end of the row and you have 2 stitches left, which are the 2 double crochet at the end, like I said, here it's the chain 3 and the double crochet. So when you have those 2 stitches left, make a single crochet in between the 2 stitches. So insert your hook between the 2 double crochet and make a single crochet. And this is how you end the row. And this is how row 2 looks like. And from this point on, you repeat row 2 over and over until you have the desired length. Blanket stitch is a really simple stitch. It's 1 row repeat, and once you do a few rows, it'll be easy to follow without a pattern. And this is how you crochet the blanket stitch. I hope the tutorial was easy to follow. If you have any questions about it, please put them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Happy crocheting!